trying to work on modules that are easy. So you actually use one of the Glyph modules today, the RP2040. It's an alternative to something that you would buy from, let's say, China right now. So we've locally manufactured it, and these are the different components that are available where you can use these to start out. And eventually, if you move into production, they're always available to like give you the most optimized version of the thing that you need.
The good thing, sorry to interrupt you. The good thing is that entire macropad is made in India.
Yeah, not really. Well, except for the
the parts come from China. We can't do anything there.
we're still not.
But barring that, everything is made in India.
Okay.
PCB is made in Bangalore. The boards are made in Bangalore. The 3D prints are in my house. So, it is made in India.
It's made in.
And certain level, what level we are talking in the sense?
Zero.
No, there is one more thing. And none of the components only depends on China. All the components, whatever used today, everything will be available in India. Like wherever electronics dealers, you can find the components with them.
Yeah.
No, the raw chips.
The raw chips.
Yeah.
Because we don't have silicon factory in India.
We don't have capacitor resistors, right? All of those come from China.
So,
Sorry? Yes, the black color thing.
what is by chance we have Bolsako?
Yeah, it is. Yeah, no, don't open it.
1 second. Do you have X open?
Yeah.
Okay.
X is fine. Hey, my X is clean, bro.
We're trying to aim it at everyone. So it will be ages 6 and plus. As long as it's someone has adult supervision and you're able to use a soldering iron, we want you to be able to make products. So from your perspective, if you have anything that you're working on that is open source, please come to us. As an example, what Shakti was showing you was this. This is a split key keyboard that he's modified from an open source project called the Core. And he's made it in a way where if you build this or you interact with this, it gets easier for you to ever go down the line, make your own physical hardware products. And if you wanted to try it, please come try this out. He's put a lot of effort into it. And one of the things that Shakti's interesting on is that when he designs these, right, he puts a lot of effort to make sure that it's the components that are more mass available. So that's something that
You don't need to wait for any component, need to ship from China. Like all the local vendors, even in SP Road vendors will have all this components.
In fact, the parts right now are from SP. So the point people should be able to fix it themselves.
Yeah.
That's to come to you first.
And once everything, all the it is now in the full like working state. There are some minor tweaks we need to do it in mechanical. So once those things are done, all the files I will upload in Git, in open 3D files, all those things.
Wait, what today? One of the first projects that I worked on was this thing. This is made out of PVC pipes and a police khaki that we cut out. And this contains a glyph. This is a C3 in there. And the idea is that by September, hopefully it will be like visual also and it has the same abilities that it is right now. Except there's like 200 or something. Nothing is in. So yeah, pass it around. Yes. So this thing, when you make it as raw materials, depending on the joints that you make, it's like 5,000 to 6,000 Hong Kong. But it can be brought lower.
And the exercise today was to teach you guys the skills to hopefully see you guys go build something and then hopefully launch it on our platform. Or screw it, just build it yourself and sell it yourself. That is the goal. That's what we're working towards. This was our first event like this. We learn from the thing, make it better. But yes, that's the aspiration at least. So, and we've been doing this for like what, 3 years now?
Yeah.
So
2.5.
We have soft power, bro.
Round of applause to you guys.